for Christmas here on the left-hand side. Now, our Christmas celebration starts the day after Thanksgiving.
Oh,
We're going to have all sorts of fun games and activities, and then, of course, everything's going to be open until late in the evening. You'll be able to see all these lights at night. It's quite spectacular. Now, something that happened just this last October, Irvine Park had a birthday, and Irvine Park turned 157 years old. Way back in 1897, James Irvine II donated this land, becoming California's very first regional park. Way back then, there were no automobiles. Everybody was arriving by horse and buggy, which does explain the tiny little parking lot we have
Not
here.
today. Maybe at the other water. There's two.
Off the left-hand side of the train, we have the lower lake and the upper lake. Upper lake is well over 110 years old now. The two lakes are separated by Boulder Dam.